Hi, Philip from T.W White Sons. We're delighted to be taking in this beautiful Suzuki S-Cross 1.4 Boosterjet SZ5 ALLGRIP automatic in white. Registered 31st of December 16. It's one owner from new, done just over 33,000 miles. It's beautiful. Finished in this striking white. Very high specification with this vehicle. Diamond cut alloy wheels. It's got this unique Suzuki side protection moulding, offering excellent protection on the doors, especially when opening them in narrow car parks. Electric door mirrors, privacy glass. You've got rear parking sensors, keyless entry with this vehicle. Really good size load area boot with load area cover, unmarked on the interior, which is nice to see. Minimal, if any, marking on the rear bumper. Terrific specification. It's an ALLGRIP, all-wheel drive. Don't forget that adds a different dimension to road holding and handling. Keyless entry with this vehicle. Just a terrific car. Comes with 12 months Suzuki warranty, Suzuki approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. And at T.W White Sons will take any vehicle in part exchange. Will be as competitive as any of the online companies advertising on national television. Leather interior with this vehicle, top specification SZ5, electric power folding door mirrors, electric windows with one touch facility on the driver's window. Sitting inside the car, you've got engine stop start button. You've got things, really high specification items on here, like a smart city brake support system, rear fog lamps, traction control, multi-function steering wheel. Let's just start this actually. So it's keyless entry. I've brought the key in, foot on the brake, starting it like so. We'll turn on the lights as well, gives us a bit of a better view of the multi-function steering wheel in front of us. But left hand side here, stereo controls, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. And over on the right, you've got, the first thing I'd notice, it's a cruise control, but an adaptive, intelligent cruise control. It senses when cars are in front of you and slows the car down as appropriate. Auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, automatic lights, and you've got the illuminated paddle shift control. So if you move this down into drive, you can get involved, giving you a greater sense of driver involvement by moving up and down the gears if you wish, using the minus and plus on the paddle shift control. You can of course use straightforward drive, which is you know, as how I would drive it. Just stick it in drive and drive the car, quite frankly. It drives really well. And this one, the slightly higher cc, they did come in 1 litre later on, but this is 1.4 Boosterjet, so it's more of a spirited drive. In the centre here, you've got rev counter, tachometer, underneath that temperature gauge, speedo on the right, and underneath that fuel gauge. And in the centre here, you've got your fuel computer, gear selector indicator, mileometer, which confirms at 33,323 miles, and a trip meter as well, clock and outside temperature. Very straightforward. If I just press this little button here, it changes elements of this display, going down to instant fuel economy readout, average fuel economy readout of 40.8. You will get more than that, it depends on how the vehicle is driven. Range left, well, it's got no fuel left in it, so it's really empty. But if I keep my finger on this, it goes into the vehicle main menu, which you can see. You can adjust things like your unit distance, how that's read, language, fuel reset, temperature outside, parking sensors, door locks, lights, etc. Really good tyre pressure monitoring system you see there, TPMS. and this goes back into the, so you can essentially tailor make this car to suit your individual taste, is what I'm saying. Air conditioning, it's dual zone air conditioning. You can operate the temperature independently of the passenger, can operate their temperature independently of the driver. You got reset button there, taking air from the outside in. Press automatic, and it will adjust the fan speed and direction of the air automatically according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. You can come off dual and keep the temperatures the same, passenger and driver, but as soon as you press this dual button, you can adjust the driver's temperature independently of the passenger, or vice versa. So really good system. Heated rear window, front demist, power socketry underneath there, and in front of the gear lever there should be somewhere in this a USB plug-in as well. Heated seats, you can see that, low and high settings, automatic box, and just beneath that you've got the controls for the four-wheel drive. This is four-wheel drive, this vehicle, not the two-wheel drive. I know I've laboured the point, but I'll labour it again. There is a difference, especially this time of year, road holding, handling in there, which we'll pick up on the pictures later. There's a USB plug-in. So you've got this Suzuki entertainment system in front of you. It's all touch screen, so if I touch that, you can see it's got FM1, FM2, let's just turn this down a bit, DAB, which we're currently on, 6 presets per waveband. If I take it back to the home screen, you've also should have, yes you do, the SD cards in there, satellite navigation, very simple, process in your address, town or postcode. The map looks like this, and on the, yeah, we can set it up to slightly darker display at night as well. And if we press this cog button in each of these screens, if you press the cog button, it comes up with the various different sub menus that you can go into to tune it according to your personal requirements. Home screen here, integrated Bluetooth, as I say, you can add, and again press the cog button and it comes up with a sub menu, but you can put in your phone via Bluetooth. Sometimes actually not needed, because we should have smartphone linkage on this, so you plug in your phone via the USB and you get smartphone linkage. With all of this touchscreen, you can go in there and adjust the display, the clock, the language, unit of measurement, security pin, etc. And you can scroll down here and look at the various things. Sound settings as well. You can go in bass, treble, balance, fader, equalizer presets, speed dependent volume control, which will adjust the volume according to the internal temperature of the vehicle. Home screen, and if we move into here, we've got camera as well. So really high spec. Auto dimming rear view mirror, very useful at night, stops any reflective glare from drivers behind you, makes you feel less, actually a good safety feature, makes you feel less intimidated as you're driving along, because the mirror will darken, and so therefore somebody drives up behind you with those very bright headlights, it can be a bit intimidating for some people. Electric sunroof here with electric sun blind, you can see, look at that, one touch facility, and it's a full length electric sunroof as well. Suzuki, this is a brilliantly engineered vehicle. I've never known any of these electric items on Suzuki. It's Japanese made, so obviously it's an extremely reliable quality product. Ideal for a family, this vehicle, automatic, produces over 40 mpg. Look at it, pan roof, electric pan roof. Some cars you pay over £1,000 to have these as an option. On this particular level of vehicle, the SZ5, it comes as standard with an electric sun blind. So brilliant spec, as I've said earlier. 12 months warranty, Suzuki approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance. A really great vehicle, this one. There it is, Suzuki 1.4 Boosterjet S-Cross SZ5 ALLGRIP automatic, 33,300 miles. Comes with this plate on it, but if you wish, you can put it back on a 2016 on a 66 plate. As I said before, we'll take any vehicle in part exchange. If you want to find out more about this really great product, really superb car in outstanding condition, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhitesons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.